How do you like making money? How do you like making money by giving other people free money in the form of loans? Well, there's a really easy solution for that, and that is Leadsgate, which is the #1 payday loan affiliate program where you can literally offer people loans, just loans of hard cash, and make money by giving them loans. Now, I'll be going through this affiliate network in detail, how it works, how to get links, how to get paid, and how to make money. This is something that you can do anywhere in the world. I'm going to show you how you can sign up, and I'm going to show you on the inside of this affiliate network of how you can get started with some of these amazing offers that they give you access to. So stay tuned, sit tight. I'm even going to add in some additional bonuses. I'm going to show you how you can apply for this network as well as other affiliate networks that I've reviewed in the past. And I'll be giving you a free resource guide on how to get accepted as an affiliate towards the end of this video. And in addition to that, I'll be showing you how to access our community, where members are showing methods from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to FBA to apps, how they are making money. As much as $300 a day was one of the success stories that came up yesterday. So I'll show you how to get all of these resources and more throughout this video. So watch every single second. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and here we are on the Leadsgate page, okay? Now, if you want to apply for this network or any of the other networks that I've reviewed throughout the course of, I guess my time YouTubing, make sure you go to johncrestani.com/networks. I also encourage you to take action and do this from a desktop computer. You won't get a lot of value from these videos if you're watching these on a mobile phone. I've looked at the results, and almost 100% of people watching on a mobile phone don't do anything. Like literally, they just don't do anything. So if you want to take your business seriously, if you want to take your life seriously, watch this from a desktop computer, borrow a friend, rev share with somebody, whatever you need to do. And if I just called you out, you just called me out, John, because this is very serious. So let's get into Leadsgate. So to sign up for Leadsgate, you'll want to go to the affiliate network sheet, and you'll want to go down here to where it says Leadsgate right here, and you can click on that link, and that'll take you to the sign up page. This network does require approval, but there are no countries excluded, so you can actually apply for this all over the world. Even though the people that you will, that you'll want to advertise the web pages they give you to people in the US, you can make money from Americans anywhere in the world. So again, you can make American money from Sri Lanka. Once we're inside Leadsgate, you'll see a screen like this. Again, this is a very basic affiliate network, and the assumption is that you know how to do affiliate marketing. Most of the affiliate networks I've been reviewing lately are not beginner-friendly networks, meaning that you need to know how to do marketing if you actually want to make money from these networks. So I suggest you watch every second of this video and go to all of my resources and watch all of the free traffic method videos that I will be showing you later on. This is not a traffic video. Now, in order to get your link to start making money from these offers, you'll want to go down here to where it says offers, okay? Right over there, and you will click offers. Now here you will see 7 different pages for different loans, personal installment, payday loans. These are all different types of loans people can get. Now you'll notice that many of these pages feature African American people. The payday loans market has a stronger correlation with African American people, but it's not just relegated to that. Everybody across the US generally needs payday loans. I'm not going to go into racial things on this channel or demographics or stuff like that, because everybody's equal, all religions are equal, all people are equal, everybody's equal in the eyes of our Creator. Now here we are, and we'll see that these are our affiliate links. So you see affiliate links to all of the different pages that you can promote. Now what I like about these is I don't believe these really redirect. You can copy these and we can see our page, and here is our affiliate page. And again, How easy is it? You're offering people loans of money for $5,000, up to $5,000 you can give people. Very easy sell. If you can't make money offering people loans, I don't know what you're doing. Most people want money, even in the US, or they need, they think they need more. So very easy sell here, and this takes them through a whole process of information they have to fill out. There are requirements, but at the end of the day, that's what you're doing. Now, the amount of money you get paid varies based on how much they end up getting loans for, because the company, Leadsgate itself, or the companies that do these loans make money, is they're charging interest. Usually they're charging pretty high interest rates on payday loans because they're targeting what's called a subprime audience. Now we get to our first advanced term, which I'm going to address here, which you'll see it says JS forms. Now this is really for super advanced affiliate marketers. I don't really know anything about how to use these. It's some sort of programming stuff, but basically for each of these offers, you can actually create your own form on your own page. You can create your own brand, and you put the script on the page and people fill it out. So this gets pretty advanced. I don't know much about this, but basically these forms are just used for tracking people's information somehow. That's pretty advanced. JS means JavaScript. Now, the other thing I like about Leadsgate is that they give you a lot of materials to help you out in affiliate marketing, which you can find right here under materials. They give you a website template, they give you trademarks, they give you legal information, they give you banners you can download, they give you keywords that you can target, they give you an SMS marketing guide, they give you an email marketing guide, and you can check all that information out and you can use it to help you promote. Okay, here's their SMS marketing guide. Here's a industry guide just about the payday loan industry. If you aren't familiar with the payday loan industry, which I'm not, it's really, like kind of these corner store loans. There's a lot of money in payday loan industry. It's also called a cash advance. But basically they give you information about it so you can better understand it, better understand why people want to go for these short-term loans. Another word for them is loan sharks or stuff like that. There's a lot of money in it. They will pay out a number of different ways. They'll pay out through web money, e-payments, PayPal, or bank wire transfer. The amount they'll pay you, it varies based on the loans, but generally speaking, you will make about $150 per loan, okay? So for each loan that happens from somebody filling out your forms or your pages, you will make about $150. That will vary based on how much people actually get a loan for, because again, these companies make money on the interest. So really good product here. Really good product, really aggressive offers. I mean, again, everybody makes money here. The people get their money, the company makes its money on the interest, the affiliate Leadsgate makes its money on a percentage, and you make your money for helping people get free money. So you have really easy offer here. Just help people get money. Now, if you're looking for ways to promote these offers, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that, big red button that's on my channel page or somewhere around this video. And then after you do that, you can scroll down to the bottom of my channel page and you will see all of the free traffic methods that I've made available to you. There's about 30 different free traffic methods right here that show you how to get free traffic from Instagram, Facebook, Google, Pinterest, all these different other places, Twitter, etc., to get free traffic from. So very easy to apply, very great way to start earning money. Just apply these methods and utilize them to get traffic for payday loans. Now, one thing you'll want to know is if you want a step-by-step training course on how to do affiliate marketing, I have a training course. It's $2,000. It's a 6-week program which gives you resources, which gives you landing pages and ads and data, lookalike audience data, which is something, a more advanced thing, but it's very helpful. And all of this stuff is for many niches, over a dozen different marketing niches to help you get started. And this has created a lot of success stories, which we're seeing both in my community on YouTube, which is really exciting. We get posts all the time of people, making money, and also in our Discord community. Now, I suggest that you join the chat community. There's a link in the description. There's also a link on the network sheet. Once again, to go over to the networks sheet, you would go to johncristani.com/networks, pause this video. And also, I really highly recommend you don't watch these videos on a mobile phone. I'm very serious, guys. Like, if you're watching this on a mobile phone, you are destined for failure. And I seriously mean that. You are not going to be successful if you're watching these videos on a mobile phone. Find a friend who has a computer. I'm sure there's somebody in your country who has a computer. Borrow it. Then when you're over on this network sheet, okay, apply for as many affiliate networks as you possibly can. Get accepted to some. Get on their newsletters, because these networks will tell you what their top offers are, what products are trending. They'll give you extra landing pages and all that stuff. After you sign up for networks, I would suggest you go over here to the resources tab and you join our community. You can see right here is our affiliate community on Discord. And Discord is kind of like a chat type channel. You see we have like different like sub chats in here: affiliate marketing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, money-making apps, and also share your success stories. I really was impressed by the ad that Heart Hacker made a little bit ago for weight loss, where he did an ad that said, overweight, just DM me and I will make sure you lose weight within 3 months naturally without any products or any fee. First 20 people only DM me. This is a great ad. He's using before and after picture, which is fantastic. Actually, sorry, this is not an ad. This is just a post in a group. This is a fantastic post. And the reason is because also there's no link. Check this out. He said yesterday itself, like within 24 hours, I got 38 clients. That's pretty cool. But where does the affiliate money come in? He said, I tell them to buy a product as a expert recommendation, right? And he puts an affiliate link. So that is amazing, right? So he's telling them, as an expert weight loss coach, you should buy this product. And people think of him as an expert from this post. So that's a really easy way to do affiliate marketing. And there's so many ways to do affiliate marketing, and people are sharing different stuff every single day. Here's somebody who made $182. Here's a person who made $45. So there's a lot of cool shares in this group. And again, I implore you, join our community on Discord and share. Again, you're gonna get more stuff out of life. You're going to be a better person the more you share. If you just try to take information all the time, then not a lot is going to come back to you in terms of karma. And I know I have like a lot of Indians and Sri Lankans and Pakistanis and whatnot here. First off, you guys should all be friends. Stop, Bangladeshis and all that stuff. Guys, all be friends. And second off, you guys all believe in karma, right? Like, isn't karma the whole the thing? So, karma, like if you do good things come back to you. So remember, give value. When you join the community, post. Give value. Don't just ask questions of people. Actually go out there and make posts and give value and tell people what you're working on and tell people the stuff you're trying. Because the more you share, the more good stuff's going to come back to you. Again, karma, people. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know what was the most helpful thing about this video. Was it showing you how to apply to the affiliate network and get the link? Was it just understanding that Leadsgate is out there and what the affiliate network does and what the niche is? Was it showing you all of the resources we have, such as the community, the network sheet, all of our different guides that we have in the network sheet? Like we have this guide I wrote up on how to get accepted as an affiliate by affiliate networks. Let me know what was the most helpful. And if you could do me a favor, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I do live streams every Monday. Is go on the Reddit community, Reddit affiliate marketing, and post about how awesome you think this channel is to affiliate marketing. For whatever reason, the people on this community, the moderators, don't like me. So if you could just post on this community about how awesome John Cristani's channel is and how much you recommend, or just share some of these documents that I've shared with you, such as this document or the top affiliate network sheet in there, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you're gonna do it, just type in troll in the comments below, because booted me from this place. It's really annoying. So I'd love to get back on there, but I need your guys' help to tell them what the real deal is. So once again, let's make some money. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this walkthrough of payday loans. There's huge money here, folks. Huge money here. I mean, you're offering people free money. So go out there, get successful, use all the resources, apply to a ton of affiliate networks, quit your job, drop out of school, take control of your life, and live free. And I'll see you in the next video. Talk soon. Bye.